Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reacting to some more motorcycle fails. It's going to be a short episode. I'm not really going to do a long one because, nobody really watches my videos. My last video of me snow plowing, that already has right now so far 21 views. I'm happy with that. I would like it to reach 30. It's going to reach 30 at some point. I'm just not sure when. Hopefully the next week or two. But this summer I have big plans. I'm really expecting my channel to grow this summer. I'm going to be doing a full restoration on my boat. I have a fishing contest coming up in May, and the boat should be done by then, so we can go take it out. I'll be having a friend come with me this time on our fishing contest. We will not be on land, on boat. Thank God. I'm sick and tired of fishing from land. It's fun. It's a lot of fun fishing from land, but it just gets tiring after year. But, I already ordered all the parts for the boat. They're coming in the next couple of weeks. I'll be down in Tiverton like in 2 weeks or something to go put some stuff in the water and put some stuff on the boat. I got a new mooring for my boat. It's a big anchor with a buoy, so that hopefully it should keep my boat tied down, because I have a second mooring that I usually put my boat on and that just gets dragged away. So hopefully this time that mooring will hold. And I guess let's just hop right into it, shall we?
Oh, what a day! What a lovely day!
Sorry about that. Come on, you guys gotta be paying attention. Don't ever be on your phone when you're driving.
Nice, buddy.
It just causes so many
Alongside the
accidents.
road, you idiot. Be on his phone. Dumb.
Watch him not stop at that stop sign and just kept going. That would have been funny.
Get off your phone. Get off your phone, you dumb. You're all over the road. Are you an idiot?
Yeah, you tell him.
Yeah, get off your phone, man. You're gonna kill somebody, dumb.
Again, never look at your phone when driving. It just isn't worth it. Just like that, your whole life could be ruined in a second. Their roads look nice compared to Rhode Island. All Rhode Island has is potholes. Spotify, my man. Whoa, what are you doing there, bud? You literally just drove out right in front of him. That's uncalled for. Oh! Dude, if that motorcycle would have hit that car, it would have been game over. You would have been dead. Alright, he's on a bike, going super fast. I mean, it looks like he's going almost 50. So, he's not going that fast. What's that white SUV doing, bud? Looks like he's being a little reckless.
Hey, just shut up, man. Hey, just go.
Just to piss him off, they rev their bikes.
Just leave us
I'm definitely
alone,
gonna get a motorcycle when I'm older. They're so much fun. I've ridden dirt bikes. I don't have my own dirt bike, but I've ridden one. They're a lot of fun. This guy in the SUV has nothing better to do than to argue with him. Just start a fight.
Go between the. Or never mind. The guy just took off. You.
Karma will get him.
Yeah.
Oh, that was so uncalled for. That was not cool. Is he gonna turn around? He didn't even turn around. I would have turned around and literally punched his mirror out.
You mother... That dude flew by me. What a piece of... God. That dude in the
Looking at houses.
SUV literally just flew by me.
Yeah,
Like,
that guy in the
1 foot away
SUV could
from
have
me.
just literally waited a
People
couple of
got no
seconds.
respect.
That guy's asking for his mirror to be taken off. Is it the same dude? No. Some people just don't know how to drive. Dumbass. They're both dumbasses. What the hell was the plan there? See, in America, if somebody were to do that, they would have literally got run over. Because nobody gives two shits here.
Como é que tu faz isso? Como é que você faz isso? Tá louco? Tá louco? Você nem deu seta, porra. Vai tomar no seu cu.
Just want to say again, guys, I also did miss last upload Friday. I wasn't really even in the mood to upload. And I was also busy with homework and shit. And actually, no, I'm just completely BSing. I just didn't want to do YouTube. I was lazy and I didn't upload a video. There, I said it. I'm lazy. But hey, I don't get many views and I'm not getting much subscribers, so not really. I was trying to put towards some effort, but it's not really paying off right now. I have to wait towards the summertime. Summertime, though, when there's more shit to do. But as always, guys, please like, subscribe, comment down below on how I can make my videos better. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.